These musical TikTok videos are getting millions upon millions of views despite being very simple to make these TikTok channels are earning serious money with these extremely simple videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest and fastest way how to create these musical types videos and make a lot of money. Especially in TikTok, these videos are performing extremely well, and there is one thing that these videos have in common. I'm going to search for music TikTok videos to briefly show you some results, and then I want you to take a guess at what the thing is they all have in common.
Hey, I was doing just fine before I met you. The birds have left the trees, the light pours onto me.
Well, that should be enough. It's quite obvious that every one of these viral musical videos are using this visualization spectrum.
How did you do that?
Well, I'm going to show you. But first, let's break down the videos so we know what to make. This channel has 7 million followers and is getting millions of views. Let's take a look at a few of their latest videos. So these videos all have the same visualization spectrum, are made with random but nice-looking dark aesthetic images, like skulls and black cars. Music is used with high bass, for example Brazilian funk, or popular music. So let me show you how to make these videos the easiest way. Now I will show you how to create these music videos very quickly and easily, and then tell you how to earn money with TikTok Creativity Program. So first of all, we need to find in TikTok music that we will use. I chose this sound and download it. Then we need a picture for the background. Go to pixabay.com for stock photos and enter in the search Best Wallpapers. Then choose the most epic and download them. So we have music and photos for the background. But how to make these incredible music videos? Now I will tell you everything in detail and show you, but first press a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. There will be a lot of videos about making money online. Let's get started. To create videos, we'll need a visualizer, and after extensive research, I found a fantastic option called Avee Player. You can easily download it from the Google Play Store and the Microsoft Store. Then we open Avee Player, go to the library, open the download folder, and select the video that we downloaded before in TikTok. Then go to my Telegram channel, link in the description, and choose from 6 templates that you like. I will choose the first one. Next, we have Avee Player with videos. Here we can change anything we want, logo, background color, etc. I will change the background. Click Edit, look for the background image and change it to your own. Now export the video with these settings, and we have created a visualized music video for TikTok. Let's have a look at it. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Well, we've created a visualized music video. Now I will tell you how to make money with these videos. TikTok has launched monetization for videos over a minute, which is perfect for music videos. For every 1,000 views, TikTok pays $1, but I'll tell you right away that most likely you will be paid from 30 to 50 cents. I found a very good channel on the Reddit where content creators share the life hacks and their experience with TikTok creativity programs. The link will be in the description. Well, let's summarize. I have shown how to make videos that give such a large number of views and subscribers and will help you make money for your dreams. I wish you good luck. See you in the next video where I will tell you how to create your own chatbot and earn money on it every month.